All right, friends, it's that time of the month where we get to reveal my Habitat for Humanity ReStore Project of the Month. So if you remember last month, I made the Chief smear right in time for the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
I mean, come on. I still have to find out how much that went for. I'll find out today.
I'm sure it went fast and for good money.
So. I will find out. I'll be at the ReStore today. So let's take a look back at what I was shopping for. Remember this wood cabinet door that I found? So this is a solid wood. I mean, every house in the 80s and 90s, I think, had this color cabinetry in their house. I liked it because it was real wood, it's thick, and it was durable, and I had an idea to repurpose that cabinet door.
Okay.
So, are you ready to see it?
I am.
And I hope you guys like it. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3!
Oh my gosh!
This is now something to hang in your mudroom, your entryway. It's the cabinet door, but it also has a cute little shelf on top and some hooks to hang your hats. Hang your hat. Your coats, your scarves, anything when you come inside. This would be cute. And then what I really think is if you were at home, hang a cute little mirror above it. Oh. You can get ready, put your keys on top.
Yeah.
Put little knickknacks on top. Oh. So I may have to hold this up too because I want to show you what the cabinet door is. So what I did was I sanded the cabinet door first, sanded it. Then I painted it with 2 or 3 coats of cabinetry grade white paint. Now this is a very durable paint for cabinetry and furniture. Then I was going to sand it and distress it, but then I decided to just black wash it. Basically a dry brush technique with black paint, and I dry brushed it on top of this. And like here, you can see the cabinet door in the back. Like look, here's how the cabinet used to look.
Oh, okay, I see.
There's the cabinet door. It went like that. I even left the hole that had the hardware from when it was, but I covered it up on the front. I did add these so you can hang it. So if you turn it this way, Matt, if you can hold that side.
Yep.
Here's little places where you can hang it on your wall. And then several viewers asked me if I sign my pieces. Well, what's funny is I actually did sign the Chief smear on the back with the date, and I've also signed the back of this with the date, just so you know, like, when it was made and what you're getting.
I love that.
And then after I went to my barn and found this piece of wood, now this is old barn wood that I found in my barn, and added these corbels right here on the side to hold and by the way, this little hook keeps messing up. I'll fix that before I get that. These corbels to hold at the shelf. So I trimmed the board down, dry brushed the black, added the corbels for the little shelf, and then of course, got some cute little stickers, Home Sweet Home, and you could have put anything you want. And then I sealed it with a coat of Mod Podge to keep it down. I'm
lost for words every single time. I don't know how you do it.
Well, first of all, thank you.
You're welcome. Seriously, it is so cool.
But I'm so excited to take this to the ReStore today. They will put it for sale, and this could be in your house. And again, all the money stays right here in Springfield to help families in the Ozarks, which we love supporting Habitat. We love what they do. So this could be yours if you head to the ReStore. And by the way, you got to go weekly because if you don't get it while you see it, it's gonna be gone.
It's gonna be gone.
It's happened to me.
Yes.
So you know what time it is now.
Let's find out what you're gonna do next.
Yeah, we gotta head to the ReStore for next month's project. Oh goodness, friends, this takes me back. A comfy recliner. You know what this reminds me of? My grandpa's favorite recliner that he would use. He'd take his weekly nap every Sunday after church in a recliner just like this, and you could hear him snoring a mile away. But such great memories, and that's what I love about the Habitat ReStore, is you're finding pieces that remind you of a simpler time, maybe your childhood, the nostalgia, and it's such great furniture. Pieces like this recliner, I'll tell you, sometimes I have a hard time just picking what project I'm even gonna do because there's so many great choices. So look at all this amazing furniture. The leather recliners, fabric, office chairs. Oh my gosh, and look at this. I actually might want this for my front porch. There's nothing like a rocking chair on a front porch on a spring, summer, and fall day here in the Ozarks. Oh wow, like I could repaint this, I could distress it, I could also turn this into a planter, which I've actually done before. You're thinking, how can I do that? Well, I've done it, and I might have to come back to this, but there are so many great options here, but I'm thinking I want to do something kind of simple, maybe something unique and different, but you know what, I need to keep shopping, because I know once I see it, I'll know. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Hey, you can always stay fit while you're shopping at the ReStore. See, do a little cardio, looking all over the whole store, just getting a lay of the land, seeing what's new, what's arrived. Okay, that's enough cardio for me, but that's amazing. See, somebody donated these beautiful trampolines. You could use this, keep fit, but you know what, I'm thinking, what do I want to repurpose or reuse, and I love the cabinets. And now that's one thing I always wanted to learn how to do was to sew. Look at this beautiful Singer sewing machine and that beautiful cabinet. This reminds me of my grandma, and my Aunt Bonnie's a great sewer. There's just so many different options. Oh my gosh, look what I just saw. A corbel. Let me tell you, I look for these and I collect these because you never know when you're gonna need one. And actually, might keep this for a future project. I'm gonna set it right here because that's amazing. And would you look at this? Somebody else's DIY project right here at the ReStore. They took a cabinet door, they cut it, about 3/4 of the way. They then put it together, put some hangers on the back, put some chandelier globes right here to put the fake plants, and you have a cute little wall planter. That's a great idea. I might have to use this in the future. How fun is that? Okay, but I want something, I don't know, like this. I don't know, this is, sometimes you just see something and you like it. Like I love this because it's real wood. I love the shape. I love all the slats that are glued together. Now, I don't know what this was originally used for, or what this was made, because I think there was something on top of this. I see some holes, but you could hang it like this, like that, or you could use it as a tray. There's so many options with this. I'm gonna let the creative juices flow, and I want you to tune in next month to find out what I've turned this into. Director Shannon, I'm gonna turn that into a chaise lounge.
A chaise lounge.
Yes, first. No, I'm really not.
And it will be survival of the fittest who gets it first, because Shannon and I both want a chaise lounge. So
there you go.
So there we go.
And you never know what
we could share.
You could pop up at the ReStore and see one. You never know.
That's true.
So I'm gonna go drop this off today, and I think I'll talk to the people there. They usually post about it on their social media and then give you a little bit of notice to get to the ReStore when it's gonna go on sale. And then I'm excited about next month's project. I haven't started it yet, but I got it in a month, so.
You got a
I had
month.
to finish this one first.
I'm just trying to think. I know you're going to elevate it and completely transform it. But like you said, it could go on a table. It could be used as maybe like a charcuterie board. But you're probably gonna make it into like a birdhouse or something.
I'm gonna turn it
a chaise lounge.
It's gonna be my new front door.
It's gonna be a door.
It's gonna be something.
I'm excited.
No, I do like finding unique. I love woodworking, and I've always loved making things with moldings and different things. And you can find a lot of great wood there as well. So I have 3 ideas for that. So I've got to pinpoint it down to what I think it will be good as, but I don't know, guys.
I'm just gonna say it again. I don't know how you do it, but I am happy that you know how, because there's gotta be somebody in this studio that does.
I appreciate you, thank you.
All right, you guys, when we come back, we are running to Buffalo Run Casino and Resort. Don't go anywhere, we'll be back.